why you should consider hormone replacement therapy, HRT. My name is Tracy Montgomery and I talk about all things menopause, midlife and all that comes along with it. So it might not be on your radar to utilise and use hormone replacement therapy, but it should be something that you might at some point want to consider, because HRT can help with some of your menopausal symptoms. Now, I am not a medical practitioner, so I am not going to go in depth. This is just to try and help you with your choices. So we know some of the common menopausal symptoms are hot flashes, insomnia, and mood swings, sleep disturbances. So these can impact your quality of life. And HRT can help rebalance some of this, because HRT is your hormone replacement. Remember, during the menopausal transition, your hormones are packing up their little suitcases and they're doing one. So the effects on your body are caused by the lack of hormone. So having hormone replacement therapy can help alleviate some of those symptoms. So there are different types of HRT that you can take, and they are extending and expanding all the time. So there are gels, you can have IUD coils fitted, you can have patches, there are tablets, there are sprays, there are numerous different types of therapies that you can have, and this can be part of the problem when you take them, because getting the balance can be a bit difficult, bearing in mind that your hormone profile is continually changing. Therefore, your HRT will also need reviewing on a regular basis, because you may need to adapt, alter, and change it. So, we hear a lot about risks and considerations when taking HRT. Now, they have significantly decreased in recent years, and you would need to talk to your medical practitioner to see whether HRT is a viable option for you, because there are some of us out there who cannot take HRT. It then needs to be personalized to you and what you can take, what is suitable for you, and then, like I've already said, those levels may need adjusting over time. So it's always good to make sure that if you are going down this route, you have built into your package regular reviews and assessments to see whether what you're on and how you take it, what you can take, also what's available in your area, can be taken. Now, it's always a good idea when you go to talk to your medical practitioner about your menopausal symptoms that you've already catalogued all the symptoms that you have. So if it's a route that you're starting to take, it would be a good idea to start diarising what your symptoms are, because the symptoms of menopause are huge, massive, and incredibly complex. And sometimes symptoms that are menopausal aren't considered to be part of the menopause. So it can be a bit wishy-washy on that one. If you can, talk to your friends, see what your friends are going through, see if they have gone down the HRT route. It is not to be all and end all. HRT is there to help you and help your body adjust to the transition. But bear in mind, you may need to think about other options that are available to you. So in Menopause Midlife and Older, we talk about how you can start taking back control of your day through self-mastery. And this can run alongside, in conjunction with, other therapies that you take as well. The menopausal journey, the menopausal transition is complex. It is unique to you. and therefore to solve it can take more than just one method, and those methods probably need adjusting as you move forward. I hope all of that's been useful. I'll pop a link to Menopause Midlife and all the in the comments below, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye for now.